It's not easy remembering the web address of every site you like to visit. Thankfully, bookmarks make it simple to save and organize specific websites so you can revisit them again and again. To mark your current website as a bookmark, click the star on the right side of the address bar. By default, it will be saved to the Bookmarks bar folder, but you can click the drop-down menu to select a different location. Let's save this site to the Other Bookmarks folder. Click Done, and it will be saved in your chosen folder. Later on, if you'd like to revisit that site, begin typing in the address bar, and any bookmarks matching the text will appear in the search results. Just click on the bookmark to open it. Another way to access your bookmarks is to open a new tab. On the toolbar, you will see any websites saved to your bookmarks bar. To browse additional bookmarks, you can click Other Bookmarks on the right. Once you begin collecting bookmarks, you may want to organize them by creating a folder. Click the More button, choose Bookmarks, and then select Bookmark Manager. Click on the desired location for your folder. On this page, click the More button and select Add New Folder. Give it a name. And when you're finished, click Save. We can move bookmarks into the new folder by clicking and dragging. Let's move these travel-related sites into the new folder. Simply click on the folder to view its contents. If you'd like to delete a bookmark or folder, right-click on it and select Delete. If you have a lot of websites saved within a different web browser, such as Firefox, you can import them into Chrome. First, click the More button in the toolbar. Select Bookmarks and choose Import Bookmarks and Settings. In the drop-down menu, select the browser you'd like to import from. Select the type of data you'd like to import, then click Import. Once it's available, click Done. The imported bookmarks will then appear in a new folder. Remember, creating folders is optional. You may find the extra organization helpful, but it does take some time to set up your folders. How you use your bookmarks is up to you.
GCF Global, creating opportunities for a better life.